I look like Little Bo Peep went to a rave. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So backstory. Me and my best friend, we both decided that doing a April Fool's mystery box sabotage video would be pretty much the most epic thing ever. Am I correct? Yes. So what we did was we chose items to put on and create a look with that, in our opinion, would make them look the absolute ugliest ever. So if you guys are interested in seeing Krystal's video, I will link hers above and also in the description. Spoiler, I made her look like a child's dream. I'm assuming with everything I gave her, she's gonna look absolutely ridiculous, and that is the best thing ever. I am supposed to create a look and make it look as beautiful as possible. She said that's not gonna happen and it's gonna look so ugly, so I'm gonna try and make it look as good as possible, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna be the most ridiculous thing I've ever put on my face. And she also told me to wear black. She said to dress in funeral attire because this is going to be the end of my YouTube channel. And I guess we're just gonna mourn the loss of my dignity. So let's do this. Let's start with the card. Kira, obviously. She said, "Happy April Fools, here are your instructions. Step 1, open the first one. Eyes and apply. Open the first one. Eyes, eyes." Okay, first one, eyes. So we'll do this one first. Step 2, apply your puppy eyeliner to your waterline. Step 3, apply your left on red mascara. Okay. Step 4, open number 2 and apply. Then she wrote, "Oh, the sabotage, let the games begin. Mwahaha. P.S. We are going to be so ugly, laugh my ass off. And love your BFF, who is writing this in her car at the post office." Sounds legit. Let's do this. Open number 1, the first one. Okay, I got 4. What is this? Y'all, this is the first thing I see. So that is key lime if I ever saw it. Okay, I can make these two work. I mean, blue and green look beautiful together. Gold. This is gorgeous. Oh, Krystal, you are not gonna mess me up with this. I'm sorry, girl. We're gonna make this a look. And this. All right, they are all shimmers. No, there is one matte. Okay. All right, so I have a beautiful copper, a really beautiful kind of green gold, a blue, and bright ass green. So all right, so let's use the matte as our transition shade because, you know, at least she gave me a matte. I did not give her a matte. I just ruined it though. Look, y'all, I got it wet. Oh, well, it just fell. Oh, that's dark. Oh, that's really dark. Oh my gosh, ColourPop, yes! Okay, I'm still making this look good, y'all. This is gonna be a look, but it's gonna look good. I don't think you guys understand. I'm on a mission. And this mission is to not be sabotaged no matter what. This will look beautiful. Oh, my eyes watering so bad right now. Oh, Jesus. I just dropped all that. I'm going in with this. Fizz. The Poison Apple Green. And that is going all over my lid except in this outer corner. And actually, I think just to make it a little brighter, I'm going to clean up this section real quick just with some makeup remover because this is a bit too blue and I don't want it mixing with that green. I really want that green to show through. Let's do this green all on this area right here. I mean, I said I could make it look good, but I don't know. I don't know now. We'll see. Oh Lord, this is gonna be a look. I am now going in with that beautiful copper. This is Crackle. And I think I'm gonna deepen up the outer corner and maybe mix it with a little bit of that dark blue and try and deepen up this outer corner here. Y'all, this is gonna look like, I don't know, but we're gonna try, okay? We're trying really hard. Okay, let's go in with this, which is Rosé All Day, which is not rose at all. It is like a green gold. So I'm gonna put this on my inner corner, and I think I'm gonna do it right here on this, and I might just go ahead and swoop this underneath. That doesn't look bad. It looks terrible. What am I talking about? This is hideous. Krystal, you got me. I would never wear this in public. The gold on that bottom just didn't really want to work. I think it looks, no? It looks no. That's what it looks like. We're gonna do this coppery color instead. I am adding the liner and the mascara now. And now, I mean, it's not that bad. I just have to pick the perfect glitter for it. I'm sabotaging myself with my watery eyes. Let's add the puppy liner and mascara, and then after that, I don't know if I want to add glitter, but we're gonna see in a minute because this is a look, y'all. I mean, I'm not mad about it right now. I might be in a minute. Let's see what this does. I am now adding Left on Red, which, y'all, is a really red mascara. Let's do this. What is that? What is this? Do you see that one lash? It's like going straight down. What is that? What? Okay. There. So other than the little flakies in there, I think I did pretty good. And my watering eyes are sabotaging me right now, but I guess that's all part of the video. But there you go. That is one look. Let's see here. What do you think so far? I think it looks really good. Let me do this other eye, and we'll be right back for the rest of the fudgery. I can't say that word on my channel. Alright, you guys. She said I could add glitter. She said I could add whatever I want to after I put on the initial colors. So I did do Midnight Cowboy by Urban Decay just to give me some more ridiculousness, because y'all, this is ridiculous. You can't argue with this face. Like, ridiculous. So she said the next one is Side Present, but this is for my blush. So let's see what this is. First off, does this look like a blush? No. Okay. Santa Bay. Okay, first I've been wanting this lipstick color for so long from Jeffree Star, and she got it for me. Krystal, okay, I effing love you, but as a blush, Sabotage much? What? How do I do this? Is this, should I, you know what? I think I'm gonna put it on the sponge. And then, oh Lord, that might be way too much. What is happening? That doesn't even work. That was a terrible idea. Nope. Okay, maybe let's just put it on the cheek. Boop. I mean, now I just look like I got punched in the face with Sabotage from Krystal. That's not working at all. Let me try with my fingers. I just took off all my base makeup right there. Thanks, Krystal. I tried, oh, shit. I tried to make this look as good as possible, and you're ruining everything. No! Oh no, now it's not blending. Krystal, we're no longer friends, so don't even bother to comment on this video because I don't like you anymore. Well, I mean, while we're here, I just quickly want to see what this looks like on my lips, because I've been waiting for this color forever and I've been so excited about it. Better late than never. I mean, you guys, I'm not trying with the application whatsoever. I just wanted to see what this color looked like. Now I'm gonna take it off, but ooh, this color. Ooh, I thought it was more red in pictures, but it's really magenta. More purple. But it's beautiful. Okay, let's tone this down a bit. That's not working whatsoever. You're not toning, you're just going everywhere. At this point, my entire face is going to be pink, and I am not okay with this. I look like Little Bo Peep went to a rave. So let's attempt to clean this up. Keyword attempt. What is happening to my face? Does that look a little bit better, you guys? Like, you can answer me through the computer. Tell me in the comments if you guys like version 1 blush or version 2 blush better. I think that I've softened that to a wearable color. It says, last, open this one. So, what is this? Sorry, not sorry. Okay. Okay, so I actually have this color already. This is a velvet blur color. I'm gonna be putting this in a giveaway, and I will go get my Sorry Not Sorry, and I will put that one on. So y'all, this Sorry Not Sorry color, if you guys see it on my lips, yeah, it's gonna be in a future giveaway. So you're welcome. But this color, you guys, I thought I could make this look good. There's no way I can make this look good. What? Krystal, what did you do to me? I'm sexy! Yes! Look at my sexiness and my confidence. Just, I mean, I would go to an interview in this. Obviously, they would hire me right away. I mean, look at all this just confidence spilling out of my face. There is my look. Krystal, congratulations on not sabotaging me, because obviously I look amazing. But also, she went ahead and just bought you guys a giveaway item, so congratulations on winning this purple look, whoever decides to enter in on that giveaway. I look amazing! What are you talking about? Minus the eye, minus the fact that my eye keeps watering. Like, if my eye would stop watering, I actually would look so damn sexy. Screw you, eye. There. Now you can't even tell. You can totally tell. It looks terrible. Remember to... it's just... my eye is watering so bad. It is, I'm basically crying blue right now. Like, my eye does not want this on my face.
When do you want to be reminded?
Reminded of what?
Sorry, when do you want to be reminded?
What are you talking about? Why was my tablet talking to me? I don't have that.
Since I'm having trouble understanding, tap one of the options on your screen.
They're listening in on me. Okay, you guys, that is the end of this video. This eye is watering so bad right now. It's like, take this makeup off. You are a hot mess. I agree. I have too much stuff on it. So that was me, and I'm beautiful, and if you say otherwise, you are entitled to your own opinion, but whatever. So that's all I have for this video. Make sure to go check Krystals out, because she's going to be looking like some crazy unicorn over there. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Of course I have lipstick on my teeth. That just adds to it. So I did I pied. And whatever this is. I'm gonna do a green line. Oop, shoot. I just spit on myself. Like, I'd be the sexiest person on the face planet. I mean, it's have I had lipstick on my teeth this whole time? Whatever.